So to respawn, touch the playground.
Yep.
Our objective is to shoot Captain Slug in the head to earn points.
How many respawns?
Infinite. Oh, you gotta shoot Captain Slug wherever. So just hit Slug, earn a point. Don't get shot by them. We got hostile pushing up on the left. Just unload on him, Liam. I got you covered. Oh, shoot! Blast him off on Liam. Watch out. Dude, my blaster is down. You need to go. Oh, that hurt. That was a shock. Oh! Alright, blaster's down. They're moving in, Liam. Did you get me?
I think so, yeah.
I felt something. I couldn't tell if it was you or something else.
Keep dying on me.
I'm sorry. Push, Liam.
Double kill.
Liam, objective is to shoot Slug. So we reload off the ground.
It's over.
Were you able to keep track? My primary, the wiring stuck on it. It failed 3 times throughout the game. The last time I decided someone picked up something stock.
Okay. 41, 44 to 27.
Oh my gosh.